Hi, this is Bob Johnson's Computer Stuff, and if you're looking for an online Toughbook community that gives tips, tricks, and support, hit the subscribe and bell button for all of our upcoming videos. Today, I'll be showing you how to replace your CMOS battery in your Durabook S14i semi-rugged laptop. First thing you want to do is flip the unit over and remove the battery. To remove the battery, there's a small lever in the center of the bottom plate. You just want to hold that down and it will release the battery. Once that's removed, there are 3 screws here that are holding down the bottom plate. All 3 need to be removed. And once that plate's out the way, you'll see your CMOS battery. To replace the CMOS battery, you just have to unplug it. And replace. Since there's nothing wrong with this one, I'll put that right back. And that's it. You just want to put the bottom plate back the same way, put the battery back, and you're all done. Thank you for watching. Any questions or comments, you can leave below.